Yeah. Yeah. Did you download the Java?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please install it. So it is the basic step. You can directly that is exe file. You can uh, install.
Sir, Java installation is done, sir.
No, all
And
everyone has
it
done
is no, sir.
because that
No,
is
I
the
have done, sir.
basic step. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's what like that is a basic step. If the problem comes there, so yeah, we cannot process it for. So if everyone are
And
done,
for
we
this
can go with it. Yeah.
and for
If
this
everyone,
Flutter, sir, it is the time required for extracting is still 30 minutes left, sir. It is a big
okay.
file.
Yeah, it is 800 MB file. What about Android Studio? That is also around 900 MB. Is that?
Sir,
Yeah,
we
that
have
is.
to download Android. We have to download Android Studio as well, sir.
Yeah, yeah. I already sent the link, right?
Yes, sir. You have sent the link, but
Is is there any alternative of Android Studio, sir? So we can download that as mandatory.
Uh,
can you please
yeah,
share the
Visual.
link of this Android Studio again, sir? Because sir, it was deleted because we are
Okay,
disconnected that device.
okay.
Is there any alternative, sir?
Yeah, we have alternative like Visual Studio, Visual Code. So yeah, that
Yeah, that's I
we
have
need to
Visual
use.
Code.
Visual Code. You have a Visual
Yeah,
Code with you. Okay,
yeah, I have
then
Visual
good.
Code already. So additionally, I have to only download Flutter, no? Flutter and Java.
No, Java is not required for if you want to use it Visual Code. Java is not required, but you cannot use emulator in Visual Code.
Okay, what should I do?
Uh,
Where are we supposed to extract the files of
which mobile you are? Sorry.
Pardon?
uh, where are we supposed to extract the files of like there are many directories in it.
Yeah, please extract it.
Yes, sir. Where to extract it to?
Yeah, that is extract in C drive.
All right, sir.
Ashok, hello.
Yeah.
Can you just show your screen, the students after downloading the three files, what they have to do? It will be more easier for them.
Yeah, that is good. If everyone are done, that will be I can do it. So first we need to install Java. So everybody are clear with one thing like need to go with Android Studio or Visual Studio because few people if go with the Visual Studio and few with Android Studio, it will be a bit difficult.
Like every functionality we will get in Visual Studio as like Android Studio.
Visual Code. Yeah, you cannot use emulator in Visual Studio, and for the programming, the basic for the first step of programming, Visual Studio is bit difficult. So everywhere you need to use commands to run the programs. So that is the major main issue why we are choosing Android Studio for for setup.
Okay.
So it is taking, I think it's taking time in installation. I mean, it's downloading. And yeah, yeah, you can see the steps of the installation, and you can try it afterwards if you want. Because yeah, and this video is recorded, so you can check the video and you can install it again. Is that clear?
Yeah, I can count
So
it.
that
This recording.
sorry.
Yeah, I can count find this recording.
Yeah, this recording. I think we can provide
Will
this video.
Ashok will provide them the recordings. Will provide them the recordings.
Yeah, that's what. That's what. So that we can proceed with.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Please install the Java, so that once after the setup is done, like Java is a simple 2 to 3 steps installation process. If the people who has downloaded the Java, you can install it easier. I already installed it, so
All done, sir.
done with the Java.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from here, like Java, to confirm the whether the Java is installed properly or not, you can go and check in the terminal in the command prompt by uh, by giving this command Java version. So just to confirm whether it is installed or not.
So can you show your screen, sir? Because we haven't doubt.
Okay, okay, it's not shared. Okay, sorry.
Mukesh, you reshare the screen, Ashok. Sorry.
It is shared, right? Can you able to see my screen?
No, sir, it isn't visible.
It is not visible.
Only your cursor is visible, sir, right now.
Ashok, can you reshare your screen?
Yeah.
That will be good.
Yeah. Now, can you able to check like whether it is shared or not?
Yeah, it's
Can
good.
you able to confirm all the screens?
Yes, sir, it is visible now.
Now it
Okay.
is
Yeah.
visible, sir.
Okay. Okay. And just to confirm whether the Java is installed or not, you just execute this command Java in the command prompt. You can find it in the search bar, the command prompt, and just confirm it whether it is installed or not. And once after that, we need to set the environment variable. So just type the environment in the search bar. You can see the window pop up. Can you guys able to see the window pop-up? Okay. Yeah, in the environments, in the window pop-up, in the environment button, you can see the user variables and as well as system variables. If we done with Java installation, we need to mention our JDK path, so where that is installed. Can you guys follow me in this process?
Can you repeat this, sir, environment variable process again, sir?
Yeah, you just go to search bar and type
Yes, sir.
environment, and you can find edit the system environment variable. Okay.
Yes, sir. For your account, sir. Edit the system environment variable.
Okay.
And then after, sir?
Yeah, can you able to see this environment variable screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
I was asking about this previous before this step, sir.
Previous to this step, right?
Yeah, previous
Okay.
step. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Okay, okay. Here,
Just
advanced,
I am here. Yes, sir.
advanced, and environment
Yes,
variable.
sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
please click on that. And here we
Yes,
have
sir. Yes, sir.
two paths, Java home and path. So just
Yes,
copy
sir.
paste the the path of the JDK. You can see in the screen like what path it is taking. To check that path, you can go to the C drive and the program files. C drive, and inside the C drive program files. Here the Java installation folder will be shown in. So in that, go inside the version of that Java. Just copy this the whole path. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But sir, in my this environment
Here,
variable section, Java home is not visible, sir.
yeah,
Path is there,
yeah,
but
yeah. That's
there
what.
is
Like
no Java home.
yeah, that's what we need to create it by using. We have new button here. You need to click here and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
write Java underscore home.
Yes, sir. Yes, underscore home. Done, sir. Done, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What should we write in the variable value, sir?
Variable value, the path of that JDK.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Did you get that path?
Yes, sir. Just doing, sir.
Sir, in my
Okay.
environment, sir, Java is not showing, but it has been installed.
In program files, you cannot able to see the path. I'll repeat the path like in the C drive. Go to the program files.
Yes, sir.
In the program files, you can find the Java if it is
Yes,
installed.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you just go inside the Java folder
Yes, sir.
and the version of the JDK and copy this
Yes, sir.
path.
Sir, only
That
up
path
to JDK or bin also.
bin not required for Java home, but it's required for path variable. I'll tell that. Okay.
Sir, so we have to copy bin also, sir.
Yeah, bin also, that is required for path. Can you able to see the path here? Here path. Right now I'm
Not-
just talking about
in not
path.
Yes, sir.
In
It
the
is
screen.
visible, sir. It is visible.
Yeah, here in the path we need to add. If it is already exists, you can edit it and you just copy paste JDK bin. Okay,
Okay.
JDK/bin. But in the Java home, only JDK till JDK. But in the path, till bin. Got it?
Sir, means in this path also we will use this Java address same, sir.
Sorry. In the
Sir,
path.
in this path, in variable value we should write this Java address only up to bin.
Yeah, that same path with the /bin. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, I was using IntelliJ for Java. So at that time I have added that in path. Do I need to do it again?
Okay. No, it will ask if
Yes, sir.
if it is done. Okay.
sir, in variable name I have put it up to ZDK.
Okay.
Sir, but it is not showing OK option.
Okay. Okay. You while creating or editing.
Creating, sir.
Okay. While creating new one, you just
Yes,
need
sir.
to yeah, just enter the variable name and variable path, variable value.
So what is the value?
Okay.
Variable?
Okay. That is the path of your JDK. Can you
Sir,
able to
so
see the
path
path
will
here?
be, yes, a path will be up to bin, sir.
Not for the Java home. This is Java. Your the variable name is Java home, right? You are talking about.
Yes, sir.
For Java home, just give till JDK.
Sir, in variable name, what we have to put, sir? Java.
Java
Yes,
underscore
sir.
home. Java underscore home, and the path will be the JDK path.
Yes,
Got it?
sir. JDK part. Yes, sir. Got it.
And one more thing, once after
Yeah.
done, you click the OK button, and again go to the path variable, not Java home. Now you go to path variable and edit it. If it is there, you edit it. Click on edit, and here you can able to see the list of paths already exist. If already exist, this will be shown. Here you add new one, new button.
Yes,
Click
sir.
on new.
Path variable is up to bin, sir.
Yeah, up to bin. This is the same path up to bin. Okay. So that means
Okay.
go inside the bin and copy the path of this. Got it?
Yes, sir. Done. Up to the path done, sir.
The
Yes, a
same
path,
thing you do
path
for
done, sir.
system variables. Same thing, please do for system variables here. You can see here the same Java home and path. Okay.
For same we create Java home similarly, na sir?
Yeah, same Java home and the path. Okay. How you did for variable use? Sorry.
Your voice is not coming.
Which one?
Yeah, I have completed both the things, and
Okay.
one more thing. Flutter only I have to extract it, na? Nothing I have to do with that.
Yeah,
That's
nothing you need to do with that. That will be the last process. So once after this Java is done, we'll go with the Android Studio setup. Okay. So
yeah. I
once
have
after that, the Flutter just okay.
okay, I have installed both the things, Android Studio and Flutter. All that stuffs have been already done.
Okay. Yeah, if it is done, same way, that path of that uh, Flutter you need to add here. Can you able to see the path of this? The
Yeah,
same. You don't need to install it. The Flutter. It's already the extracted one, so you can just give the path of the bin. Okay.
user variable or system variable.
This is user variable.
Okay, manually I have to write, na?
Yeah, you can manually write if you install proper in the proper place. Like in the C drive, if you added that, you just add this also.
Okay, up to B.
Sir,
Yeah,
I have put it in
everyone you
user
can follow
variable
this
and
same.
system variable also.
Sorry. Oh yeah, Java is for user and system variable. The Flutter path, the Flutter you already extracted in C drive, right?
Yeah, right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that one, that path only in user variable. So here you can see, sorry, here in the path of the user variable, you can edit it. You can paste the, by clicking new, you can paste that Flutter path, bin path, Flutter bin path. Got it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Sir, in this system variable, if someone has abstracted this Flutter in other than C file, then we have to write the path of that drive, sir.
Yeah,
Means I have,
you need to
sir, I
write
have
that
extracted,
particular SD. Where you extracted?
sir, I have extracted in D, sir, D drive, sir.
Yeah, you can just copy paste in the C drive, or else you just give the D drive location here.
Okay, okay, sir. For both this path and Java home, sir, no?
Sorry? No, Java home. No need to Java home only for Java. You need to add it in path. Only path. You can see here only in path we added. Everybody got this process right?
Yeah, yeah, we have already
Yes, sir.
done it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Only for path, na, sir? No need to do
Yeah,
for
only
this
for path.
Java home. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
User
no.
variable.
That is Java home only for Java. Okay.
Sir, for user variable.
Yeah, user variable. Only for user variable. Flutter
Up
is
to
only
B,
for
sir.
user variable. Okay. If this is done, we can go with the installing Android Studio. Is it done?
Sir, can you give the summary of that, sir, path because we
Yes,
get
sir.
the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
confusion in this.
Sorry.
Sir,
Sir, can you
in the
please
copy paste
summarize
of
this
the path,
this
yes, sir.
Like you want to know why that is used? Is it?
No, sir, we get a
no,
confusion in where, sir, we have to paste all the things. So we want to,
sir?
sir,
Okay.
rematch
Yeah,
it from
just yeah, just please look at this screen. So here environment variable is there, right? In the user variable, by using a new button, you can create Java home variable name, and the value should be till only JDK, not bin, okay, for Java home. Once after adding Java home and the path of that JDK, you trigger OK button. So it will be added here. Can you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
The same way you add for system variable also, Java home. Here I already added. Can you able to see?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, and the path. So here the path will be already exist. If it is not, you need to create it by clicking new, or else edit it. Edit that and add the JDK same path with bin folder.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
and save it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just do this. I'll tell about Flutter. And the same way you do the JDK with bin for system variables also. Click on edit,
Okay, sir.
add it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing, in only in user variable, you need to add Flutter bin. Okay, the path of the Flutter where you installed.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, and click on OK to save that changes whatever you have. So till here everything is done, right?
Yes, sir. Now we can proceed.
Yeah, someone asking URL for the downloading Java. Link for Java. Yeah, once after this, just go to the Android Studio where you have downloaded. Okay, so just click on it.
What after installing Android Studio?
Is that installed?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, it's installed. It's asking for import something or do not import setting.
No, no, do not.
Okay.
I think it's little slow in my side.
It's also downloading something. Data sharing. Don't set anything, na? You have to click.
Yeah, don't. Yeah.
Yeah, it's opened. It said Kotlin plugin update available.
Kotlin?
Kotlin plugin update available.
Yeah, you can check it, not an issue.
Okay.
Check that radio button. Checkbox.
Kotlin is also like a tab 9 artificial something.
Kotlin is also programming, but not we are not gonna use in Flutter. The
Okay.
same Android Studio you can also develop for Android application, native application in the same IDE, Android Studio. So for that it will be useful, Kotlin.
Okay. Okay.
So right now for the Flutter we are not gonna use it. Yeah. People who are using Ubuntu, you can just install the Java by commands. So you can directly install by using commands, so that it will be installed. Anyone getting difficulties in any previous steps?
No. It's install type is standard. No.
What?
It's giving you option to choose an install type. It should be standard or custom.
Custom. You select custom.
Okay. We have to check out Android SDK platform too, or
Which is the latest one it is showing? Is there any?
yeah, is SDK platform is showing or API stick over there and Android virtual device. That doesn't need to install, no?
Which is
Android,
defaultly added one, defaultly checked one. You can make sure only that one is enabled.
okay, we can go for it. Go with that, no?
Yeah,
Okay.
we can install virtual device for afterwards also. So not any.
Okay.
Anyone finished installing Android Studio?
No, it's downloading some component.
It's downloading. Okay.
Yeah, downloaded it.
In
In
which step? Which step it is?
the it's saying welcome to Android Studio, and there's a 3 option of new project, open, and get from VCS.
Can you able to share that?
Yes,
Since mine is already previously installed, so it didn't take much time to install one. So if we come from basic installation, others will also understand. Can you able to
so what I have to do? I have to share my screen.
share?
Okay, I'm on the initial page right now. Yeah, I think I've shared. It's showing.
Yeah, go to other screen like where Android Studio. Okay.
Yeah, here it is.
So once till here, if anyone already has reached till here, this step, before these steps, we just have the installation like a custom installation. Like we can click next, and they will trigger. They will pull the files from the server. It's just download some files from the server. Once after that, the this screen will be shown. So here we need to configure the Flutter and the Dart programming. So you just go to plugins in the left side.
Plugins, okay.
Yeah. So here in the text box, you find the Flutter plugin. Yeah, Flutter.
Okay, yeah. This
Any
one,
others
no?
are following these steps? People
This
who
one, no? That
already,
I have to download.
yeah, Flutter, you
Yeah.
Flutter it's installed.
Hmm.
Flutter plugin, yeah, install Dart also. Here, click on install. Any other following the same steps?
It's showing restart IDE.
Click on restart IDE.
Yeah.
Go to more actions. Here,
More
more action.
action. Yeah.
Yeah, down bottom.
Okay.
And SDK manager.
SDK
SDK manager.
manager.
Yeah.
Okay.
go to the SDK tools in the top menu. It's SDK
Yes.
platform, right side. Just yeah, there on the right side, right side. SDK platform is selected. Right to that SDK tools we have menu,
SDK tools
not
in
in
the
this
left,
list.
in the
In
left
top,
or right?
in the top, in the middle top. You can find three. Yeah, there
In this list, yeah,
in
this
the
one.
top of that list. Yeah, select that, and here can you able to see third option.
Android SDK command
Select
line.
that. Yeah,
Okay.
and click apply.
Yeah, finished.
Yeah, finish.
And then after,
Click apply. Click OK. Click OK. Okay. And now we need to check whether the Flutter is installed or properly installed or not. So just go to command prompt.
hmm, hmm,
Yeah, here click type Flutter space doctor, small letter.
this much, na?
Yeah. This will be executed only when we add that SDK in the environment file. We already added in the environment file. So here, whenever we call the Flutter command, it will respond. Others who are in different steps, so no need to worry. So I'll share the videos of our installation process, not only this video and other videos uh, for Unix operating system and even for Mac. You just make it installed for the tomorrow session so that we can easily we can go further. Okay,
It's showing to
others.
found to issue.
Yeah, we'll fix that by I'll send two commands. You just find the path where the Android is installed.
Android Studio.
Yeah, Android Studio.
Android Studio is installing, I think. Yeah, here. So what I have to do?
I'll send the commands, two commands. So in place of the path, already existing path, you just change your path and execute the command. Okay,
Okay.
that is to ensure that the application is installed, and we are telling Flutter this is the Android Studio SDK, and as well as Android Studio IDE. Okay.
Okay. The first one, na?
Yeah, first one is for path of the Android.
From
Copy the first
where?
one. First two lines.
From
First two lines.
Flutter from Flutter to
Flutter to Android. Okay, come down.
that's going upside. Yeah.
First three lines. Okay. Till Android iPhone Studio. Just copy. Yeah.
Flutter config to this much.
Yeah, next line. Yeah, there till there. And just you need to rechange your path, Android path, in place of equal. Once after the equal, you need to change your
From
Android path.
CM, I have to supposed to enter here in
Yeah,
CMD or
execute here.
okay. Press enter, na?
And change that path. Yeah, you clear the existing path.
Okay, and I have to mention this part.
Yeah,
This much or
that's it.
okay. No need to enter in bin folder, na?
No. Bin is not required. You add double quotes and paste this. Okay. Once after equal.
I have to delete supposed to up to director, na? This much.
Yeah, that much. Add double quotes.
Okay.
Double quotes.
Yeah.
Yeah, paste this path.
Click enter.
Yeah.
And open editor for them to new setting. Then again I have to close that.
Yeah, and another one, another command you copy.
Okay.
And before that, you go to Android Studio
Hmm.
to check the SDK path. You need to go to Android Studio.
Android Studio, then
Application. You go to application.
application.
Installed application in the
Like this one, na?
yeah, that one.
Okay.
Go to plugin.
Plugin.
Click on the plugins in the left side. Yeah.
Then
Okay. Not here. Sorry. Like go to that more button. More option was there, right?
okay. Hmm.
Yeah.
SDK,
Here go to
SDK
SDK manager. Yeah.
okay.
Copy that path in the top in the
This
text
one.
box. It's already no top in the top text box. It's already there, right? You copy that.
Wait, is this one or this one?
That one only. That one only.
Which I have selected, this one.
Yeah, that one only. Yeah, which you selected. That one you copy.
Okay, then I have
Just
to,
modify till home. You remove home.
yeah.
Yeah, you copy. Yeah, paste this. Okay. You execute this.
Hmm.
And execute the same Flutter Doctor.
Letter doctor.
Yeah.
Android tool chain.
Okay.
It's still there is one issue.
Just yeah, that is to accept the license. We have another command to accept it. I'll send in the chat.
Okay.
You just type Flutter doctor, Flutter space doctor, hyphen space double hyphen accept, sorry, Android hyphen license. Space is there between doctor and hyphen. Android hyphen licenses. LICENSE. There is no space in Android and iPhone, but doctor and iPhone its space is there. Just execute this. Hyphen doctor space hyphen Android. Doctor space. Yeah, and there is no space between Android and iPhone. Execute.
Hello. now it's correct.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Now is that fixed?
Yeah, all issue has been fixed.
Yeah. Now till now, this is a procedure for installing Android Studio on the Flutter. So it's successfully installed. That means there won't be any other issues. So
It's
this is
also
Flutter
it's also
after
include VS Code.
yeah, VS Code. Yeah, that will detect the VS Code in your local.
Okay.
But the thing is, why we are trying to use Android Studio is for the basic. So for starting stage of learning,
Mhm.
it will give a proper understanding. So directly by using GUI, we can execute it. So here in VS Code, we need to use some commands.
Okay.
So that's why Android Studio for the learning stage, this is the best actually. Even for inspecting where the issue is, so Android Studio helps a lot.
Exit na?
Sorry.
I have to exit from command na?
Yeah,
That's
you exit from command. You can open the Android Studio application. In the chat bar, there are lots of confusion in Android Studio. So please repeat this Android after opening Android. Yeah, sure. Sure. We'll repeat the same steps tomorrow, but it will be faster. Before that, everything need to be installed properly, like Java and Flutter already set up, so that we can make sure the same setup we can clear it faster. So hence we have a 3 days workshop. So we need to learn the development more, designing and implementing. So for that, we'll fix it faster, like installation step. For that, I can send the videos of installing Android Studio as well. If you have time, please check once. Okay, others who are in the same steps in the previous steps of Android, so you can try that, so that before coming tomorrow's session, we can directly start the development. And even if still have the same problem, even in tomorrow also, so let's figure out, like we can the same procedure we can execute it.
time will be the same na? 5 to 7.
Yeah, that is 5 to 7, but the procedure, because of the procedure, it got extended. The downloading and all,
Yes, it's no issue.
yeah.
So I'm stopping sharing na?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
पढ़ रहे थे.
I'll share few videos for others also, for setting up the application. So just go through the video. If you have any doubts, if you have any doubts in installation, we can figure out. Just because the more we go get into the development, it will be excited in working. If we still in the installation process, so we'll be lagging in that. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir,
Please
shall we
check the
leave
video. Please check. Okay.
Yes,
Sorry?
sir. Where we will get this video, sir?
Yeah, I just shared this video. We need to. I'll let you know about it. Like the host will be shared this video.
Acha, acha. And this installation video, this youtube.com, sir, that you have shared just.
Yeah, that is installation for Flutter and Android Studio. So please check that
Yes, sir.
video, so that um, before coming to next tomorrow session, we can directly go into that development side.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the video link is same as that you had told right now, sir.
Yeah, that's what the procedure is same actually. So the people who are not, I'm telling to the people who are not installed it yet, so they can check this. This is easy steps. So yeah, got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vikram? Saket? Anyone?